Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you 5 side hustles you can start in 2023. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Create a YouTube channel. What's the very best manner to construct an internet presence and flip your order into profits? If you said, beginning a YouTube channel, you're without a doubt right. Whether you're into vlogging, gaming, or cooking, there's an target market in your content material. The first-class component is that each person can begin a channel with only a few easy steps. All you want is a Google account and you may create your personal channel inside minutes. You can use your channel to publish motion pictures, approximately something you're passionate approximately, from makeup tutorials to online game walkthroughs to academic movies. Best of all, you could make cash out of your channel via marketing sales or sponsorship. 2. Start a dropshipping enterprise. Want to promote merchandise while not having to hold any stock? Then, dropshipping is an incredible choice for you. Dropshipping helps you to promote merchandise from the provider, and also you don't want to fear approximately the product stock or shipping. Here's the way it works. Whilst you obtain an order from a customer, you absolutely touch the dealer, who then ships the product without delay to the customer. 3. Become a digital assistant. Becoming a digital assistant is a frightening project, however it's really well worth doing. Why? There's a huge call for digital assistants throughout all industries. As a digital assistant, VA, you'll usually must cope with small and repetitive responsibilities consisting of grammar correction, blog control along with importing weblog posts to WordPress, getting rid of poisonous backlinks, unsolicited mail comments, etc. Uploading movies to YouTube. Managing social media websites, and the listing is going on. Here are some advantages of turning into a VA. You can paintings from anywhere. Your profits relies upon the type of duties you carry out, and the sky's the restriction to earnings. You can research a lot out of your clients, which in the end allows you release your very own enterprise. 4. Offer freelancing services. Almost each enterprise desires to construct and develop its presence online. But maximum agencies lack the time or know-how to increase and keep an internet site on their very own. This is wherein freelancers are available on hand, as they offer precious services. So if you've abilities or enjoy in content material creation, net design, etc., you may make a first-rate profits through presenting freelance services. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.